Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two cryptocurrency apps. When choosing a cryptocurrency exchange, understanding the key features and services of platforms like Binance and Kraken is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Trading platforms. Both exchanges offer robust trading platforms with tools for different types of traders. Binance features a web-based trading platform, a desktop app, and a highly rated mobile app. The platform includes advanced charting tools, multiple order types, and access to futures and margin trading. Kraken offers a web-based platform, a desktop app, and a mobile app. Kraken Pro provides advanced trading tools, including charting, technical analysis, and various order types. Cryptocurrency selection. The range of available cryptocurrencies is a key factor for many users. Binance offers a vast selection of over 500 cryptocurrencies and tokens for trading, including major coins, altcoins, and stablecoins. Kraken provides a wide range of cryptocurrencies with around 100 coins and tokens. It supports various trading pairs, including major coins, altcoins, and stablecoins. Security. Security measures are vital for protecting user funds and personal information. Binance employs advanced security features, including two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelist, and cold storage for the majority of user funds. Kraken, known for its strong security track record, Kraken utilizes 2FA, PGP email encryption, and cold storage for 95% of user funds. Customer support. Effective customer support is essential for resolving issues and answering questions. Binance offers 24/7 customer support through live chat and email. Kraken provides customer support via live chat, email, and phone. Earning. Both platforms offer opportunities to earn rewards through different programs. Binance offers various programs, including flexible savings, locked savings, and high-yield products. Kraken offers staking services for select cryptocurrencies, enabling users to earn staking rewards. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is vital for trading on the go. The Binance mobile app is highly rated and offers comprehensive trading capabilities, real-time market data, and access to all Binance features. The Kraken mobile app provides a user-friendly experience with access to trading, staking, and account management features. Advanced trading features. For experienced traders, advanced features and tools are important. Binance supports margin trading, futures trading, and options trading. Kraken provides margin trading, futures trading, and advanced order types. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. Binance appeals to a broad audience, from beginners to advanced traders, due to its wide range of cryptocurrencies, low fees, and advanced trading features. Kraken targets both novice and experienced traders, emphasizing security, regulatory compliance, and strong customer support. Conclusion. Both Binance and Kraken offer robust features and tools for cryptocurrency trading. Binance is ideal for users seeking a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, low fees, and advanced trading options. Kraken stands out for its strong security, excellent customer support, and user-friendly experience. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.